Hello, in this video we are going to learn logic jump, or also known as conditional logic. It's very important feature to make your quiz more dynamic and personalized for each user. So here is one of my quiz, and here are few questions. So now, based on this vacation activity, I want to show a different question based on their selected answer. But right now, what happens if I select surfing? It asks beach destinations, but also it asks for other activities like this. So if I want to avoid and hide other questions which are not relevant for this user, then you can use this logic jump. So here are my questions, and let's build one of the logic rule. So let's get started. Here you have all the questions in your quiz. So here is my question. I will use one of the operator has a value of, and I will select surfing. So in this case, I want to hide other three questions which are not relevant for this answer. So this first, second and third, and save. So as you can see, now it's quickly generated this layout flowchart based on my rule. If I will answer the beach activity, then it will only ask me one question and send me to the result page. So let the quiz again. Now I'm answering surfing. Then I can see my next question is related to beach destination, and then I see directly the last question, no other activity questions. So this way you can make your quiz more dynamic and personalized. You can add as many rules as you want and create a really great and personalized quiz which make your user feel more personalized, and it will also help them in getting the result they want. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, then feel free to reach out to our support.